Let's take a look at a historical context of gender. Employment patterns have been greatly influenced by the intersectionality of gender and ethnicity. What is often imagined today to be traditional actually represents only a small slice of middle and upper class white families in Western countries in the 19th and early 20th century. After the Industrial Revolution, work moved out of the home into factories and offices. Men worked apart from their families, and it seemed wives should take over responsibilities at home and provide a domestic haven for their husbands. The literature on gender and work is very extensive, crosses several fields of study, and can only be sampled here as we try to understand gender as a dimension of diversity and inclusion at work. Two basic conceptual distinctions are whether sexes should be seen as fundamentally different or the same in work related attributes, and separation of public work and private, home, and non work life activities. Researchers study how the labor market creates and maintains sex segregation and differences in outcome.